Okay, let's take a look at my Project 3 mail for the web programming with Python and JavaScript course. First of all, let's log in. And as it's our first time visit, we have to register to become logged in. After logging in, the user is able to send messages by filling the new message form. If an error happens during this procedure, error message appears here. And if everything is fine, email will be sent and the sent mailbox will be loaded afterward. When the user visits their inbox, sent mailbox, or archive, appropriate mailbox with emails inside of it appears, and the name of the mailbox changes. Each email has its own bordered box with sender, subject, and timestamp. If the email is unread, the color of the box is white, otherwise the box is gray. When the user clicks on an email, complete details of that particular email appears, including sender, recipients, subject, timestamp, and the body. Once an unread email has been clicked on, it will be marked as read and the color of its box will be changed to gray. User has the ability to archive and unarchive emails. Once the email has been archived or unarchived, inbox will be loaded. This ability is not available in sent mailbox. User is able to reply emails in inbox or archive mailbox by clicking on this button. The new email form will be pre-populated with original email sender, subject with the RE prefix, and the body with the original email timestamp. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.